In this video, you'll learn exactly how to add a new record in Microsoft Access, step by step. Follow along carefully, and you'll be able to update your database quickly and confidently. To begin, open the Microsoft Access application. This is the first step toward managing your data effectively. You may start the application from your desktop shortcut or by locating it via your Start menu. Once Microsoft Access is running, take a moment to appreciate its user-friendly interface designed to help you manage and manipulate databases with ease. After the application launches, the next step is to select your database file. You will need to locate the specific file that contains the data you want to work with. This may involve browsing through your stored files or recent documents. Once you have identified the correct database file, open it to bring up the data environment where all your tables reside. With your database file open, now focus on selecting the particular table that will receive the new record. Tables in Microsoft Access represent organized groups of data, and choosing the correct table is crucial, since every table is structured differently depending on the type of data stored. In this step, ensure that you have chosen the table that aligns with your data entry needs before proceeding. After you have selected the appropriate table, navigate to the area of the application that provides the essential functions for modifying your data. Look for the Home tab within the ribbon located at the top of the Microsoft Access window. The Home section contains a variety of tools and commands, including those for managing and creating new entries. Clicking on the Home tab will shift your perspective and reveal options that make adding new records a seamless experience. In the Home tab, you will find the option to add a new entry. Locate the button labeled New on the ribbon and click on it. This action instructs Microsoft Access to prepare a blank record or input form in which you can enter your new data. It is a simple but important transition that moves you from navigating and viewing your database to actively updating it. Now comes the stage where you will enter the data into the new record. With the blank form displayed, fill in the necessary fields according to the requirements of your database table. This might include entering text, numbers, dates, or other types of data. Make sure each field is populated accurately to maintain the integrity of your records. Take your time during this process, double-checking your entries before finalizing them. Once all the details have been inputted, review the new record to ensure everything is correct and then save your work as required by the system. Following these detailed steps will allow you to add new records in Microsoft Access smoothly and efficiently. Every phase, from opening the application to entering the data, is essential to ensure that your database remains accurate and up to date. And that's it. You've now learned how to add new records in Microsoft Access. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical guides.